Labadee. Labadee. Hey girls!
Hey, you scared me.
I'm sorry. Nice house though. Kanya-kanyang buhay sila eh. I love it. Ano ginagawa mo dun? Kutsi ka ba nagasin niya? Nanay kong Koreana! So, kung ano yung in-applyan ko last week, yun pa rin yun nandun. So, and, puro sila nakalagay, must be an Australian citizen. Tayo mag-a-apply sa Aldi, Woolworths, Kmart, Coles, lahat. Applyan natin yan. Kung ano matanggap, yun na yun. Bahala na si Lord. Yeah. Ay, naarawan na eh.
Kulang sa araw yan.
1 little doggy, 2 little doggies, 3 little doggies, kulit.
Nila para naman ginahasa na lahat. Kunti lang rest na sa...
1 little doggy, 2 little doggy, 3 little doggy, kulit.
This one. Ito.
Patulog tayo ng mga bata. Hey!
We're trying to sleep.
You cannot put Arn and the, Zing in the middle. Okay na, sige. Ganyan lang. Sleep na ha. Okay, girls?
Okay.
Sleep ha. Telling you. So, tapos tayo mag-apply na mag-apply. Kaya tayo magawa. Patulog na tayo yung bata. That's naman tayo. Let's go. So, try natin mag-grouping. So, sinusubukan natin mag-grouping kasi yun yung sabi nila. Kailangan mo matuto mag-grouping muna para, alam mo yun, yung aim, mas kumanda. Two out of 3? Bad. Oh. Yan lang. Try muna natin ang grouping. And then, I think, mag-i-improve naman tayo ng ganun. At least, kung pa ganun, basta grouping, magkakasama at least. At least group siya, diba? So,
Ilabas po. Pagaling mo. Bye-bye. See you again Wednesday. Kasi hindi na lumapit. Oo, kaya mo. Kaya ni.
bad.
Nakita mo dahil?
Hindi.
Hindi si Ate Pia. Hi, Tobita! Hi!
You fetching some homeless?
Ay! Tinapot ako! Ano ba yun? Buisit ka. Excited, grandma. Ay, lang yan.
Toby.
Toby doesn't want to.
Sabi ko, uwi na si Toby.
Nasaan yung child na to? Booster seat.
Bye!
Ingat. Bye. Init. Batang kain ng kain. You eating again? Give me the plastic. Thank you. Zing.
Kasi you have to go in the middle.
Mamaya may masakit na naman ang tiyan.
Only like slowly.
Anong slowly?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at all the swings. Let's try it. I can go all the way up. Same. Let's try.
Hey.
Are
Careful.
you scared for something? A bit. I don't know. Well, I am a bit. Oh, oh, oh.
Halika dito, oy.
I made it. I don't top.
Oh, go down na. Go down.
Okay. Yeah.
It's okay that you don't go that high. It's okay. Oh, 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 oh.
Hey.
Careful, Arn, ha?
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, hold. Okay, hold. 1, 2, 3, go. Woohoo! Yay! Go. You can do it.
Amaso na talaga to eh.
Malakas yan. Malakas ang mga bata. Sige. Malakas yan. Grabe yung galing ng batang yun.
Basta food trip, ang bilis eh.
Go dito. That's your house.
Share with your sister.
Okay. No more. Lang, no? Parang masasabi ko lang sa Australia, bukod sa malamig. Based sa mga narinig ko, basta hindi ka magastos, hindi ka pa naiutang, and you just live below your means, you can. Lalo na kung dalawa kayong mag-asawa nagtatrabaho. You can survive. Above minimum, pwede, pero mahirap, pero pwede pa din. And, alam mo yun, work-life balance is, meron talaga sila. The only thing that I miss sa Pilipinas, yung katulad ng mga natin. Labas ka, may tropa ka na agad, punta ka ng mall, ng ganitong kahit anong oras. Yung hanggang gabi, pwede ka makipagkwentuhan, pasok ka ulit kanibukasan. Yung ganun. Tindahan sa kabilang kanto. Dito wala. Dating ng oras, uwi ka na alas 5, alas 6. Pahinga konti, prepare ka na ng pagkain, ayusin yung mga bata. Pros and cons. But yeah, I think I can live with that. Mainly ang goal naman namin dito ni Mrs. is for the kids, and then retirement din. I know you can have your retirement sa Philippines na well off and all, pero the opportunity presented itself, we grabbed it, and here we are. Maganda naman. I know that we're just in by 7 days or 8 days, but you can already see yung mga parang magiging outcome, yung mga magiging magandang plans, pwedeng matupad talaga. Ganun. Yeah, it's nice. Pero, you let me know. Para sa mga matagal na dito sa Australia, you let me know kung tama yung nakaramdaman natin dito. And the sun here is nice. Pero hindi ko lang mag-gets, parang medyo grayish ang Australia. Or I don't know, baka kasi yung mga damit dito, mga gamit, mga tulad yan, mga gray, light. Sa atin may mga pink, yellow. Ayan, I think that's one of the nakikita ko, pero apart from that, it's good. Yan, tsaka yung winter lang talaga. Winter. If you're new here, katulad namin, talagang mapapaganong ka na lang. Pero again, pros and cons. I live for more than half of my life sa tropical country, which is the Philippines, and I think it's it's fair na my body is adjusting and everything. But yeah, I think kaya to. Palag boss. Para sa kanya kaya kami lumipad dito. Better education, better what?
Huh?
What else do you think is better here? What do you think are better here? Food, really? What else? Price, okay. What else? Pets?
Yeah.
We have pets.
And Robux.
Robux. Kasi nabibili namin sa Robux dito. nabibila namin siya ng murang road box. Pero I mean, mura din naman ang road box sa Pinas. Pero I mean, yun yung mga napapansin niya. I'm just happy to see my daughter happy. That's it.
You have classmates?
Go.
No? You didn't enjoy school?
Go. 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 Not too high. Enough na yan.
And then we're going at the same time.
Going to the sky.
I can see the sun. I can jump off the swing while it's still.